Hi, it's Lois, no cruise control. Welcome to vlog 6 of my Regal Princess cruise, or Princess Cruises. Here I show you our dinner in the ocean grill and also sail away from Rotterdam. I hope you enjoy. It's a little bit dark, but you don't need to see me. But aren't the lights of Rotterdam beautiful? We are off to dinner in the Crown Grill. So I will show you what it's like to eat in the Crown Grill. So if you're ever on a Princess cruise, you can go along. Or if you've been on a Princess cruise before and enjoyed the Crown Grill, you can reminisce. Have a nice evening. Can't even see the top of that block. We sail out at 9:30, or all on board at 9:30, so I'd imagine we'll sail out about 10. We're hoping to go up on deck after dinner and watch. We're in the Crown Grill. We had a wonderful welcome, as if we'd been here yesterday. I've never met the lady before, but very nice welcome. Very nice. And they've got a lovely booth table. Booth. So we're in the Crown Grill tonight, and we have been, the lady's given, the waitress, well, has given us recommendations, but most of it is seafood, and we're both a bit boring with seafood. I don't like it. But we are having hand-cut beef filet tartare. I like beef tartare. I'm not sure that they will. You'll try it. Then we're having the black and blue onion soup. I always fancied that, but Gavin and Luke said last week that that is really good, so definitely going for that. And then we're not having seafood. Moving over, we are having what the waitress recommended, ribeye steak. Surf and turf there, it's an extra $10. And then we're having sides of French fries, asparagus and spinach. To come here is a cover charge of $29 per person. And that includes one main course, and please enjoy any additional mains for $10 each. I'm not sure anyone has the space for additional mains, but I mean, some people must for them to put that. We don't. But yeah, I'll show you what your courses look like. Thank you. Steak tartare. Does that look amazing? I know so. I'm gonna eat my, what is it? Black and blue onion soup. I can smell the cheese. Huh? What wine did you have?
Merlot.
Merlot. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Is it rich and bodied and fruity?
It was red wine.
That would be my answer too, really. Hence why I'm not having.
It's the house red wine, red Merlot. I don't know it.
And I'm drinking the house Sprite. And the house H2O. Actually, if you haven't cruised before, tap water is like free with every meal. So, like, yeah. If you want to savour the flavour of every piece of food you eat, stick with the water. But no, you can be adventurous and have the Merlot as well. Do what you like, it's your cruise. The weapons, as she said, have arrived. To do damage on our main course. Yum. The soup was amazing. This just shows how huge my steak is. It's ginormous. I've got some applewood salt there. Some béarnaise sauce there. Some spinach, some asparagus, and some garlic. Sprinkled fries, is it?
Yeah.
Mr. No Cruise Control is digging in the steak. He's got peppercorn sauce. The steak is insanely huge. I went, oh my gosh, and he was like, what's wrong? The waiter. I was like, it's huge. And he said, oh, this is a small one. I can go get you a large one. I'm gonna eat it now. Yum. I've discovered a restaurant that's defeated Mr. No Cruise Control. What is this?
Warm chocolate mousse trifle.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
And then that'd be very boring.
I have mine.
You can take it back. Let's see what he's having. I don't want to have it. I've been very boring and just had ice cream. I'm definitely more a savoury girl than a sweet girl. And they all sound lovely, but I've been very boring. Then after dinner, I went and changed out of my floaty dress because the wind on deck is not fun with a floaty dress. And then we went to watch Sail Away from Rotterdam up on deck, which was fabulous. And with the Ocean Medallion app, we could order drinks that came and found us. Yeah, Sail Away was great. Then these next two videos are all about Sail Away. So soon we'll be sailing away from Rotterdam. Our mooring lines are still attached, so I don't think it's happening anytime soon. But everyone was supposed to be on board, I don't know, about 20 minutes ago maybe? 9:30 I think back on board time was. What time is it now, dear? 10 to 10, yeah, 20 minutes ago. There's lots of flats here, you can see inside them. I'm sure there's a lady in one of those that posts photos of these ships. I'm sure I've seen her on Instagram. Look at the bridge, looking pretty in the night time. It's Rotterdam, looks pretty. A bit slower, hey? That bridge is cool. It's got a lane for walkers, a lane for cyclists, a lane for cars, and then a lane for trams inside as well. So it's very wide, and it also lifts as well. So when a ship comes in that's too, like it goes up a little bit to allow their sort of barges under. But if there's a ship that needs to go through there, it will raise. It doesn't really look like it's designed to raise, but that's pretty cool that it does. What's she pointing at? Huh? Oh, I know what it is. It's a fire engine. My husband is like a man in his 30s, but actually really he's a child. And now I believe he's waving at people in the flats. Solo cruising is so much like easier without a child in an adult's body to look after. All the mooring lines have come in. Coming in slowly, so everyone must be on board. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute when we're sailing away. I don't think you really see me in this light, which is probably a benefit to you, to be honest. You can just about see me. I've put my hoodie on because it's cold, but dry and nice and a clear night, so no complaints. And to be honest, it can rain all it wants tomorrow or the day after, because I want to explore Regal Princess. So this light is like perfect. You can't see me. Perfect. Right, I think we're sailing away soon. Definitely on the move. Oh yeah, the wake is coming. See all the people. I don't know if you're able to pick it up on the video, but you can see people on the flats, especially way up. Ooh, up there. You can see people standing there. So cheerio. It's another mad iPhone picture that pictures all these, or captures all these lights in the sky that aren't there. Oh, it's a lovely sail out still. All the lights of the cityscape. I think in like, oh my god, what, 31, 32 cruises? I really don't think I've ever sailed out of a city at night. We've sailed out of many islands at night and cities in the day or the evening, but never, I don't think, a city at night. So it's really nice, new experience. The lights are cute, and people are waving their like iPhone torches at us, and we're waving our iPhone torches back. Yeah, very nice sailing down the river out of the city, Rotterdam to be precise. Nice sparkly lights, shiny lights. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or DM me on social media and I shall try and answer. Thank you.